Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. This beautiful analog watch is the Timex Weekender, which comes with a slip-through strap, also known as a single-pass strap. It differs from the usual Nato strap because it only has the main strip without the keeper strip below. With just one layer of fabric, it's more comfortable compared to the usual Nato straps. You can convert a double pass Nato into a single pass by cutting the keeper strip. However, it's essential to note that the keeper strip is there to prevent the watch from falling when you remove it from your wrist. In this video, I will show you different ways to wear a Nato strap, starting with the standard double pass and then single pass without any modifications. And then we will explore cutting the keeper strip. The most common way to wear a Nato strap is as follows. As you can see, there are two layers of webbing below the watch. This can create a slight gap between the strap and your wrist, about 2 to 3 millimeters. Making the watch appear taller, especially if your watch has a thick back cover. Now, the second method involves using the strap as a single pass with a keeper strip around your wrist. The main strip goes through the keeper's loop and the buckle. And with this method, the watch sits closer to your wrist with only one layer of fabric below it. However, note that this method creates a slight bulge on one side and can be a bit tricky to put on. The next method is to fold the keeper strip under the main strip but not below the watch. This results in 3 layers of fabric, and then you can attach the strap to the watch like single pass. With this method, the watch is easier to put on, but it may create a slight bulge on top, which can be minimized by folding the strap tightly. Once you have tried these methods and you are sure you want a single pass strap without the keeper strip, and also sure that it is safe for your watch, it's not falling, then it's time to make the modification. You will need a pair of scissors and a lighter. First, hold the strap with the keeper strip on top, ensuring you don't accidentally cut the main one. Make your cut about 1 cm from the stitching. This way, if the strap frays or if you make a mistake, you will still have a small spare length to work with. Next, hold the strap and melt the cut using the lighter. Be careful not to get too close and burn the material, just melt the nylon thread. That's all you need. Then tap it to tidy up the result. Don't use your fingers to tap the melted nylon as it will be very hot. Now we have a single pass Nato strap and let's check the result. It looks great and it feels comfortable with the watch sitting closer to the wrist. And we have a single pass strap without the keeper strip. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have anything to add, just put in the comment below and have a great day.